Yo, what's up guys, this is Mckoy here, the first Beat Fact. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about robot voice.
I am a robot.
Okay, so if you notice guys, the audio is a bit different compared to my other videos because I bought this Zoom H1N. I'm going to use that for my event this coming in May 26th, and yeah, that's a bit of an enhancement. Now I want to thank you guys for the support. We've already reached 2,037 subscribers in just 2 months. I really do appreciate the fact that you are there ready to watch my tutorials and enjoying my reaction videos. So thank you so much guys. Okay, so I'm going to speak in pure Tagalog, pure Filipino, and my apologies if you weren't be able to understand what I'm about to say. But I'm going to create a separate tutorial about robot voice in pure English. All right? So yeah, let's get it on. Medyo madali lang to kasi yung main concept nito is just parang nagsasalita ka lang ng paloob. I am a robot voice. Ganun yung mababaw na version ah. Pero it's better for us to learn na yung mababaw muna bago tayo pumunta sa
I am a robot voice.
first step is huminga dito banda. Tumatago sa ipin ah. Second step, huminga dito sa gitna ng inyong bibig or sa loob ng inyong bibig. So parang dumadaan sa may dila nyo mismo. Or dumadaan siya sa taas ng dila nyo. Okay? This time, gawin nyo yan, yung paghinga gamit ang bibig. Pero, dito sa lalamunan nyo banda. Specifically, dito. Parang magiging ganito siya. Gets? So, just keep on doing it. Kapag nararamdaman nyo na yung medyo makati dito na part, try nyo magsalita ng pabaliktad. Hindi nang pabaliktad. I mean, paloob. Just take, for example, yung word na robot. Robot. Kapag in-apply nyo yun sa paghinga gamit dito, ang magiging tunog niyan ay ganito.
Robot.
Now, para mag-vibrate siya ng maayos, ito yung pinaka-tricky part sa lahat. Kailangan nyong pigilan ang inyong paghinga. Kapag ginagawa nyo na yung pabaliktad or paloob na robot pronunciation, yung magiging tunog niya ay ganito, di ba? First, kapag hindi nyo pa pinipigilan yung inyong paghinga, ang tunog niya ay ganito. Robot. Pero sa kalagitnaan nun, pag pinigil nyo ang inyong paghinga, parang ganito. Pag-practicean yung i-pronounce ng paloob yung robot. Pero dito lahat ng pronunciation or dito lahat gagawa ng tunog. Okay? Normal.
Robot. I am a robot.
And yung malalim.
I am a robot.
Para magawa nyo yung malalim na part, kailangan nyong i-bend lang yung dila nyo. Hindi magta-touch dun sa ngalang-ala. Nakaganyan lang siya.
I am a robot.
Kapag normal voice, kapag basic voice, then naka-flat lang yung dila nyo ng ganun.
I am a robot.
just keep on doing it. Practice it every day. Kasi ilang taon ko rin yung pre-practice. Kasi yung malalim na part yung mababaw na part, kaya yung gawin yan. Okay? So, yeah. There you go, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed my tutorial, or if you learned something from me today, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you might also want to share this with your friends. If you haven't seen some of my tutorial videos or my reaction videos, you might want to check out the description box. I placed their link. And yeah, I'm gonna see you soon. And by the way, nag-unboxing ako neto. Baka i-upload ko bukas. So, that's all, guys. I'm gonna see you on my next reaction video. Alright? So, next one, Spider Horse versus Berry beatbox reaction. Alright? So, peace, bro.